Hello mathletes, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're going to do the homework for lesson 2C-6, but we're going to do things a little bit differently today. I'm going to go over numbers 1 and 3. Number 2, I want you guys to try by yourself because I really want to see who knows it. Okay? So, let's go. So for number 1, we have a system of equations. Y equals 6x minus 11 and 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 7. The first step that you're going to do is identify the easy target letter. Now, guys, this should be like a no-brainer here. Y is already equal to 6x minus 11, so you're just going to use that. So you're going to take that and you're going to plug 6x minus 11 into the other equation, negative 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 7. So now wherever you see y, we know that y is equal to 6x minus 11, so you're just going to plug in 6x minus 11 wherever you see y. Okay, so I'm going to put negative 2x minus 3y, which is now 6x minus 11, equals negative 7. So let's do our thing, distribute and all that, and solve for the first letter. All right, so after I distributed and combined like terms, I solved for x and I got x is equal to 2. So now let's solve for y. So you can pick any equation. Quite personally, I think the top one is easiest to work with because I'm solving for y. It's already said equal to y. So I'm going to put y is equal to 6 times x minus 11. But instead of x, I'm going to plug in the number 2. So y is equal to 12 minus 11. Y is equal to 1. Okay, so now these are my two solutions. I'm going to try to check now. Check into the originals for both. So y is equal to 6 times x minus 11. We're going to plug in 2 for x, and we're also going to put in 1 for y. So is 1 equal to 12 minus 11? Yes, it is. 1 is equal to 1. We did it. We did it. All right, and now here we have 2 times x minus 3 times y. We want to know if that's equal to negative 7. So I'm going to plug in 2 for x and 1 for y. And I keep making this mistake. There should be negative 2. So negative 4 minus 3, is that equal to negative 7? It is. So we know we did it right. So my solution for number 1 should be 2, 1. And we checked it. We know it's good. All right, so number 2 is very similar to number 1, so give that a try on your own. All right, for number 3, this is a special problem. I'm going to show you why. All right, we're going to identify the target letter. What do you think the easiest letter would be to isolate? It would be this one right here, the y. Okay, so step 1, we're going to rewrite that equation. And we're going to get y by itself. So we're going to add over the x. So we have y is equal to x plus 3. Now, into the other equation, we worked with this one. Now we're going to plug into this one. So step 2, rewrite the other equation. And now we know that y is equal to x plus 3. So wherever I see y, we're going to plug in, you guessed it, x plus 3. Now look what happens here. 3x plus negative 3x plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 4. Guys, you see how the x's cancel out? Does 9 equal 4? Right. So this is going to be an example where there is no solution. And we're going to talk more about this in class. All right, so your main thing is, that's it for me today. Have a wonderful night and catch you tomorrow.